Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Bitfinex Crypto Exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitfinex Crypto Exchange app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the login button at the top section. Now, once you are taken into the login page, you will be prompted to enter your email address or username and your password. You also have the option to use your API key to log into your account. From the email section, you can simply tap on Forgot Password to reset your forgotten password. This will then take you into the web page where you will be allowed to enter your email address to receive the reset key. So type in your email address that you used while creating your account within the email box. After typing in your email, tap on the Reset My Password button, and you will now be told to check your inbox. Now open up your email and you will find the Reset Password Now button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be allowed to create your new password. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on the Set My New Password button, and you will need to enter the two-factor authentication token code from the 2FA app. This will be required if you have enabled two-factor authentication. So just check your authenticator app, and from there you can paste your authentication code. And now your password has successfully been reset. You can now use this new password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Bitfinex Crypto Exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.